Okay, eighth grade. So, for our first little assignment today, we're going to call it a quiz, but it's not really a quiz. You're going to be drawing some things here, and we're going to be doing a grid activity. Now, I do these activities every year because it's a great way to get you back into drawing shape. So, if you have forgotten how to do these, all right, this one is a little more complicated than the others you may have done with me, if you had me. Okay, but still the same idea. So I'm going to look on here at the numbers. You can start wherever you want. I'm going to just start with number 30 because it's here. It's the first one. And you are going to look at where the line should start and stop in relationship to the corners of the square. So, I recommend that you draw very lightly in case you mess up. And then you're going to neatly shade in the parts that are black. Now, you don't have to press hard with your pencil to fill it in super dark. All that's going to happen is it's going to get real shiny and get pencil all over the side of your hand and make a huge mess. So I suggest just filling it in like so, a couple different directions, nice and neat. And voila, you have one section finished. Okay, now, then you're going to look at what is above, below, or next to the one you already have finished. It makes your life a lot easier. So I'm going to look at this one, which, as it turns out, is probably going to be one of the more difficult ones on this entire paper. And I'm going to get it out of the way pretty early. So 31 is right here. I can see that if I look at the corner here, there's a little black triangle that hooks up with 30. They work together. So first thing I'm going to do is extend that line and then shade it in the same way. And you can see how it's a nice seamless transition from one box to the next. And then, as always, try your best to get the lines and shapes to be the same as what you see on the instruction paper. I'm looking for you to try. I will know if you tried to get this right. As always, I am drawing extremely lightly. That way, if I screw up, it's easily erased and there's no frustration involved. Now, you can see that mine is nowhere near perfect. Okay, it's not exactly the same, but it's close. As I work through here, making sure that I try and get things in the right place. And there you go. So, and then obviously I would move on to one of the other ones that hooks up to what I already have finished. Now, the challenge here, besides just drawing things in general, I did this on purpose. These boxes are bigger than these boxes so that you can't trace, okay? It will not work if you try and cheat. There is no point in cheating. As long as you are trying to get this right, you're going to get a good grade, okay? So make sure that you understand that things on here are a little bit bigger than what they should be when you draw them. Good luck.